We want to use this figure to find the measures of the numbered angles. We see here we have one angle here that is 120 and the rest are just numbered, and we want to find out what all of these angles are. We know that we need to use our congruent and vertical angles in order to figure out what our missing angle is. If you look here, we have 120 degrees and we have angle 2 here. Now those angles are vertical angles, which means they're congruent. So that means the measure of angle 2 is also 120 degrees. When we look over here on this side, we see that these corresponding angles are congruent because they're formed by this transversal intersecting the parallel lines. These lines are parallel, which means that angle 7 and angle 5 are also 120 degrees. So angle 2, angle 3, and angle 7 all equal 120 degrees. If we look at these opposite angles here, these other angles here, they're not 180 degrees, but we know that 120 and angle 3, these are supplementary angles, which means that the sum of them are 180 degrees. So to put that into an equation, 120 degrees plus whatever angle 3 is equals 180 degrees. Now we have a simple equation to figure out what angle 3 is. We just subtract 120 from 180, and we're left with angle 3 equals 60 degrees. Now because angle 1 is vertical, we know that angle 1 and angle 3, oh see, look here, I covered this, it looked like a 3, it's actually a 5. This should say 5. This is a 3. Angle 3, angle 4, and angle 6 all equal 60 degrees because these are the corresponding angles. Let's look at another one. We have the angle measure, we have two parallel lines in the transversal, and what they give us is 59 degrees. Well, the same thing happens here. This and angle 2 are vertical. The corresponding are angle 5, and that's a 5, and angle 7. So we know that angle 2, angle 5, and angle 7 equal 59 degrees. Angle 3 and 59 degrees are, once again, supplementary angles. So angle 3 plus 59 degrees, supplementary angles always add up to 180 degrees. And you can rewatch the video on angles if you need to. So angle 3 equals 180 minus 59. And we're left with angle 3 equals 121 degrees. So angle 3, angle 1, angle 4, and angle 6 all equal 121 degrees. And that is how you use corresponding angles to find missing angle measures.